We are positioning Kenya and especially Nairobi as an iconic city for business meetings and conferences, and with the charter incentive programs, with the direct flights that is coming this month directly from New York to Nairobi, and other partners that are coming, the various airlines. I believe that this particular niche product will even be able to grow very fast.
We're going to be creating a delegate experience, and what the whole delegate experience is that the delegate comes in, and not only do they stay in the venue, we're also going to be doing pre and post packages where the delegate is already here, so why not travel? Why not visit Kenya? So those are the major things.